Hello, my name is AJ Patel, and I'm the president of Vancouver Community College. I'm speaking to you from the traditional and unceded territory of the Musqueam, the Squamish, and the Tsleil-Waututh people who've been stewards of these lands since time immemorial. Welcome back to all of our returning students for another amazing semester here at VCC, and I want to warmly greet those of you that are new to VCC or here for the very first time. It can be an exciting and challenging time, the start of a semester for each and every one of you. Know that everyone here at VCC is here to support you, and we have resources available to help you be successful on your journey here at VCC.
Whether you are new or returning student, we have plenty of resources to help you out at your first year at VCC. Starting with your student ID, you can bring a government piece of ID such as passport or your driver's license to our registrar's office as Downtown or Broadway.
At the Downtown campus, you can get yourself pampered at the salon and spa.
Get a haircut, facial, manicure, or a relaxation massage at a fraction of the cost of other venues.
At each campus, Indigenous students can access the gathering spaces to meet resident elders, other students, use the computers to complete assignments, or just pop by to have a cup of coffee with us.
At the Learning Center, get support from a professional tutor in English, math, science, or business. Improve your study strategies and test taking, or pick up some worksheets.
The Students' Union of VCC is run for students by students. We're here to support you with money-saving services, awesome events, and by advocating to VCC on issues that students are facing.
If you're looking to cover your tuition fees, come seek help at Financial Aid Office. We have plenty of resources including bursaries and scholarships.
Our team is here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have regarding general support for international students, as well as questions regarding study permit, co-work permit, off-campus work eligibility, and postgraduate work permit.
We understand that being a student involves a lot of responsibilities, so visit us at Counseling Services for one-on-one confidential sessions including mental health, stress management, and career guidance.
Our campuses are conventional, located near SkyTrain stations.
But if you do drive, you can always bring in your car for servicing and repairs at our Broadway Auto Body Shop.
Borrow books, laptops, and other electronic equipment, use computers and study space, and get help with research at the library.
You are part of a vibrant college community that makes VCC so special. I look forward to seeing you around in the semester. Please stop me in the hallway to say hello.